A very good morning, my dear children. Once again, I welcome you all for the online session of English grammar classes. My dear children, today we will learn a new topic, that is verbs. So before starting any exercises of this chapter, let us understand what is verb. So I am going to read out the sentence. Look it properly. Verb is an action word or words that show action or being. So what is action word means? Like jumping, skipping, watching, eating, sleeping. These all are action words which is showing some actions have been done. Okay, so simple. Verbs is an action words. Let us see some of the examples so that you can able to understand this verb properly. Okay, so first example is like you can able to see that there's a cat who is sleeping. Okay, and read out the sentences. The cat is sleeping. So what is the action performed by this noun here? Sleeping. Let me circle this word, sleeping. So this is an action word and this is known to be as verb. Okay, now let us see the next example. The horse is running very fast. So what action right now this noun is doing? So running. So this is an action word. So you can tell it's a verb. Okay. Now next. The girl is keeping the rope. So here also, what is the action word? Skipping. Okay. So right now the girl is skipping the rope. So this is an action word. This is verb. Then Rahul is eating the noodles. So what action did this noun performed by here? So Rahul is eating. So eating is an action word. Okay. So here eating, skipping, running, sleeping. These all are action words. So you can tell this is verbs. As we know that verbs is an action words. Okay. So now we can able to understand that verb is a word that shows some action has been performed. Okay, like here also see some examples. Jumping girl. Jumping, it's an action word. So it's a verb. The baby sleeps. Sleeps, showing some action. So sleeps is a verb. It's an action word. A man eats a burger. So here eats is an action word. Here let us see some more verbs so that you can able to understand properly. It is written here, circle the verbs. You have to circle the action words. As we know that verbs is an action word. So circle the verbs. So first one is, we watch movies on Friday. So what will be the action word over here? Watch. Okay. Watch is a verb. So it's a action word. Next, my dog barks at cars. So what will be the action word? Barks. So here barks is a verb. Then she walks to school. Okay. So what will be the action word over here? Walks. It's showing some action. Okay. So walks will be a verb. Then the frog hops on the ground. So here the action word is hops. Okay. Then the cat jumped over the fence. So what will be the action word? jumped. Okay, so these all are verbs which I have circled. Okay, these all are action verbs. It is so showing some actions. Okay, now this is your grammar book and we are studying chapter number 10. The name of this chapter is Things We Do Every Day. Things we do every day. That is verbs. So let us read out the sentences. Words that tell us what a person, animal, or thing does are action words or doing words. They are also called verbs. We use verbs in simple present tense to talk about things we do every day. Okay, like let us see some more examples over here. So it is written, look at the pictures and read the following sentences. So first one is, John goes to church every Sunday. So here, goes is an action word, so it's a verb. Then, the moon shines at night. The moon, we know that it shines at night every day. So shines is an action word, it's a verb. Mother cooks food. As we know that, who used to cook food every day for us? Mother. So cooks here, it's an action word, so it's a verb. Next, a hen lays eggs. So here, lays is an action word. Then, father walks in an office. So here, walks is an action word. Okay, so walks is a verb. Then birds make nest. So make here is an action word. Like this way we can identify verb like goes, shines, cook, lays, walks, make. These all are action words, means these all are verbs. Then it is written here, the noun and the verb in a sentence must match or agree with each other. Like for example, a bird flies. Bird, we know that it's a noun, and flies, what action this noun is doing? Flies. Okay, bird flies. Then it is matching with each other. We know that bird fly. Okay. Then a dog barks. We know that dog is a noun, and what action performed by this noun over here? Barks. Okay, so dog is a noun and barks is an action word, means it's a verb. So we know that dog barks. So these all are matching with each other. Now let's come to your exercise portion. We have to write over here. So first question is, filling the blanks with correct answer. So you have to choose. In this bracket you can see two options are given over here. You have to choose any one option and you have to write in this blank. Okay, so first one is, I play or plays. Two options are given over here, isn't it? I play or plays cricket every day. So what you have to write here? I play. Play. Okay. Now next, the sun sets in the west. So what you have to write here? The sun sets in the west. Then Usha drinks tea every morning. So what you have to write? Usha drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink tea every morning. Then number 4, the servant cleans the room every day. So you have to write the servant cleans the room every day. Number 5, children loves ice cream. So you have to write children love ice cream. Okay. So let me read it out what we have wrote over here. I play cricket every day. Second, the sun sets in the west. Third, Usha drink tea every morning. Fourth, the servant cleans the room every day. Fifth, children love ice cream. Okay, so my dear children, let us see the next question. It is question number B, and it is written here, complete the sentences by changing them into plural forms. More than one, we know that it's a plural. Singular means it's a one in a number, and plural means more than one. Okay, so first one is already done. So first one, let me read it out. What is written over here? A flower smells sweet. So flower is a singular one, so we have to convert it into plural forms. Okay, so it is already converted. First one, it is written here, flower is converted into plural form, means we have to write over here, flowers smell sweet. Okay, now the next one, a cat drinks milk. So cat here, it's a noun. It is written over here in singular form. We have to change it into plural form. So it is already written there. Cat has been changed into plural form. So you have to write here only, cats drink milk. Okay, full stop. Then next one, a ship sails on the sea. So here, ship, it has been changed into ships, and you have to write over here, ships sail on the sea. Full stop. Okay, next one is a bird flies in the air. So bird is a singular form, and we have changed into plural form, that is birds. So what you have to write, birds fly in the air. Okay, now next, a star twinkles. So star is in the singular form, so we have changed into stars in the plural form. So you have to write here, stars twinkle. Only twinkle you have to write. Okay, now next, that's the last one, a bell rings. Bell is in the singular form, and we have changed into plural form, that is bells. So you have to write bells ring. Okay, understood. So let me read it out what we have wrote over here. First one is already done. Second one, a cat drinks milk. So we have to write here, cats drink milk. Third, a ship sails on the sea. Here you have to write, ships sail on the sea. Fourth, a bird flies in the air. So you have to write over here, birds fly in the air. Fifth, a star twinkles. So you have to write, stars twinkle. Sixth, a bell rings. So you have to write bells, rings. Now coming to the next question, it is question number C. Filling the blanks with suitable action words. So you have to, again, these options are given here. You have to choose these options and you have to write in their proper place. Okay, these all are action words. So let's start. First one is, this is a parrot. It dash on trees. So in this space, what you have to write? It dash on trees means you have to write it lives. Lives. Lives on trees. Then it dash dry seeds. So you have to write over here, it eats dry seeds. Then it dash the seeds with its sharp beak. So you have to write here, it breaks. B-R-E-A-K-S. Breaks. It breaks the seed with its sharp beak. So let us read out these sentences. This is a parrot. It lives on trees. It eats dry seeds. It breaks the seeds with its sharp beak. Okay, let's move out to the next one. Here's a picture of a deer. And it is written over here, this is a deer. It dash in a forest. It dash fast. It dash plants. So here also options are written over here. These all are action words. Eats, lives, runs. So we have to choose these action words and we have to write in their proper place. So this is a deer. It dash in a forest. So in this place you have to write it lives in a forest. Then it dash fast. So you have to write it runs fast. Then it dash plants. So you have to write over here, it eats plants. So let me read it out. What we have wrote. This is a deer. It lives in a forest. It runs fast. It eats plants. Okay. So my dear children, this all work you have to do it in your English grammar book and write it down very neatly so that you can able to understand your own handwriting very properly. Okay. So I hope you all understood this chapter verb. Go through the video again so that you can able to understand very clearly. So my dear children, that's it for today. Thank you.